Hey guys, welcome to Spoolin Boost here. So we got Baemaxx finally done. Kudos to Dead Rock Customs. You did an amazing job with Baemaxx. We got the HD hood installed. Can you guys guess what hood it is? I'm gonna write that in the comments below what year you think this hood we put on it that we installed on her. And yes, it's a Chevy HD hood, but anyhow, it looks amazing. We got it clear broad, and because, you know, just to protect the rock chips, we got to get her a grill. That's in the works, and get her some nice upgraded new lights again, as these lights are starting to fade and rock chipped out again. What do you guys think? Should we replace the whole front end and color match the bottom? I think we need to do that, because there's might as well, we did the hood, do the front of the rest of the truck, right? Baemaxx has the HD hood, so I don't know why GMC's never had it. So I thought there was an option to try it out and let my boy know at Dead Rock Customs to try it out and see how it looked. And now, well, we know it's possible. So a little bit of custom trimming. You gotta make it so the headlights fit. Yeah, I think you did an amazing job. Let me know if you guys, or let me know what you guys think. So guys, like and subscribe. Spoolin Boost on YouTube, Instagram with the underscore. And thank you very much, Dead Rock Customs, for all your hard work on Baemaxx. We'll see you on the next one.